In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use DocuSign with our comprehensive guide for 2025. DocuSign has truly revolutionized the way we handle documents, making it seamless and secure to sign and send contracts digitally. So let's dive into this step-by-step tutorial and get you up to speed with the key features of DocuSign. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the DocuSign website. This is where all the magic happens, as you'll be able to manage your documents, gather signatures, and keep everything organized digitally. Once you're on the home page, locate the Home button and give it a click. This will be your central hub for navigating various features within DocuSign. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice different sections to explore. Look for the section labeled Agreements and click on it. Agreements in DocuSign can include contracts, forms, or any document that requires signatures. Here you'll have an overview of all the agreements currently in process, completed, or waiting for your attention. Next, you'll want to familiarize yourself with templates. By clicking on the Templates tab, you'll gain access to pre-designed templates that can save time and ensure consistency across your documents. Templates are especially useful for frequently used forms, allowing you to standardize information and reduce repetitive tasks. Moving forward, let's explore reports. By clicking on the Reports tab, you gain access to detailed analytics and insights about your document activity. Reports provide you with critical information such as the number of documents signed, the time taken for each, and any pending actions. This feature is invaluable for businesses aiming to streamline their document processes and maintain accurate records. Lastly, let's head over to the Admin section. Click on Admin to access a range of administrative tools and settings. Here, you can manage user permissions, customize branding, and integrate with other software solutions. This section is particularly important for organizations that require advanced control over how DocuSign is utilized across their team. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of some essential features of DocuSign. With this guide, you should now have a clear understanding of how to navigate and utilize DocuSign's robust offerings. Remember, as you continue to use DocuSign, take time to explore these features further and experiment with how they can best serve your document management needs. Whether you're looking to enhance efficiency, improve security, or simply stay organized, DocuSign provides a reliable platform to meet those goals. Thanks for tuning in and happy signing. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.